Ready?
Mhm.
Hold on, I messed up.
Yay!
Again! Keep going, Emily. Okay.
Come on! Get up!
Rocky. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Mhm.
I keep doing it.
All right, Emily, come on now.
I'm just getting tired. I think that's enough now. Oh, no. Okay. What? Oh. Wasn't expecting that.
All right, come on.
Hey!
Hurry up, Emily.
I want to see the video when you're done. Ow!
All right, now you're messing up. You're being goofy.
Okay, I'll try this.
You thought you did it fast.
No.
You've been goofy.
Hi, Coach Tanya.
Okay.
Oh my God! Hi, Coach Tanya.
Okay, Emily.
I love that.
That's what you're just going to be doing this.
I'm just tired of standing me. That's it.
All right, I guess I'm done now.
Why?
Okay, I want to see the video now.